buka 4.30 tadi buka.
Bapak setengah buka. Kita baru sampai. Dia datang set dengan apa?
Set dia dengan dia punya masala fries ataupun loaded fries. So loaded fries is masala fries, then we add on harissa mayo, mint yogurt sauce and tambah lagi ayam
Kasih 2 set crispy duri burger.
dengan masala fries.
Ya, dengan masalah fries correct.
So total $30 lah.
Boleh insyaAllah. Pay wave?
Pay now.
Oh, pay now. Pay wave pula.
Tak apa, puasa.
Bismillah. Okay.
Terima kasih.
Thank you, very nice. So I just wait for the number.
Pay now boleh?
Half an hour. Okay, then I walk around.
Boleh.
Thank you, very nice. Shukran, very nice.
What's the
Alhamdulillah.
number?
Our number is
647.
647. It's 632. Alhamdulillah. Okay, thank you, very nice. Assalamualaikum. Oh, ayam dia mengancam. Salah fries
The sauce.
I haven't tried the chicken yet.
Nice.
Haven't yet.
Okay. Dira.